Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Galaxy by Boywithuke on the ukulele. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you have seen my tutorials or other videos before and you're watching this one, welcome as well. If you're not subscribed, why don't you hit that subscribe button, maybe turn on those notifications, like this video, and leave a comment if this helped, or if you have any other song tutorials that you would like me to do. Also, I'm on Instagram and TikTok, so trying to get to 1K on TikTok so I can do live videos and answer your guys' questions and play live songs and all that jazz. But anyway, today we are learning Galaxy by Boywithuke, so grab your ukulele or ukulele and make sure it's in tune. G, C, E, A. And this song has the same chords over and over again. There is a few. Yes, there is a bar chord. It's a B flat, but it's not that hard. Trust me, guys, you'll want to learn these bar chords eventually, and your ukulele playing will improve. So on that note, we're going to go ahead and go over the chords, and then I'll show you the strumming patterns in this song. And then you just got to remember to keep Will Smith's wife's name out of your mouth.
Leave her name out of your mouth.
Sorry I did that. I'm sorry. Okay, let's just pretending that never happened. Hey guys, we're gonna go over the chords now. The first chord in his little arrangement of chords is an F minor. So what you want to do is put your pointer finger on the top string, first fret, your middle finger on the third string, first fret, and then you can put your ring finger, but I think it's easier to use your pinky on the fourth string, third fret. And that is F minor. The second chord is the bar chord, but it's actually not that hard, guys. It's a B flat. So it's these two bottom strings on the first fret. You can play it like this, where you put your middle finger on this second string on the second fret, and then your ring finger on the top string, third fret. You could play it like this, or you can bar this whole first fret, because I think that's easier for me, and then you leave these two in the same spot. But you could also play it like this, where it's like a staircase, but that's just like really crowded for my fingers. But if you got smaller fingers, it might be easier for you. So yeah, the chord after that is a G minor, which is your pointer finger on this bottom string, first fret, your middle finger on the second string, second fret, and your ring finger on the third string, third fret. The chords after that are C minor, which is these three bottom strings on the third fret. I like to just press them all with one finger. And then a C, which is just this bottom string on the third fret. And then you go back to F minor, and then B flat. And then the final chord is an E flat, which is just your bottom finger, which is just your pointer finger on this bottom string, first fret, your ring finger on the third string, third fret, and your middle finger on the second string, third fret. And those are all the chords for this song. It seems like a lot, but there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 chords, but he plays 2 of them twice. So in order, it goes like this: F minor, B flat, G minor, C minor, C, back to F minor, back to B flat, and then E flat. So let's go ahead and go to the strumming patterns. Okay, so for the strumming patterns, the first one is just a down strum on each chord, and you just have like a nice little pause to keep on the tempo. But once you get to the C minor and the C, you play those back to back. And then when you get to the E flat, you play it twice. So with the one strum down, it's going to sound like this. And this is the order of the whole song as well. So it's F minor, B flat, G minor, C minor, C, F minor, B flat, and then the E flat. And that's how you would play the verses in the song. And for the chorus, I guess you would say, it is the down, down, up, down, up. Which he kind of just focuses on the down on the first F minor. And then the rest of the chords, it kind of seems like he just does the up, down, up after that. But if you want to just do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up the whole time, if you want to just stick to one pattern, you could do that. Or you can just do the down, down, up, and then just up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So either one sounds good when you play along to it. I've been doing it for a little while just to see how it sounded today, and they both sounded good, so yeah. So once you do that and put it all together, the chorus will sound like this. Yes, the chords are all the same order. So let's go ahead and just play through the verse and the chorus together. I wonder why I feel I'm on top of the moon. Oh wait, it's 'cause of you. I fill my cup with apple juice. Sunday morning, watching cartoons. Baby, I don't wanna go home tonight. Let me stay with you. It's 4 a.m. and your dad's coming. 'Cause I don't get spooked easily. Looked on TV, swear I saw your eyes. I was watching documentaries of stars and Mars and planets in the sky. Something like that. Did that sound like it? I'm trying. I literally just heard this song today and I really liked it, so that's why I decided to do the tutorial. But I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Galaxy by Boywithuke. It's a really nice, chill one, so yeah. See you guys in the next tutorial. A creature with 2 heads, sleeping into beds. Is it sweet or is it